What's up, SHHGANG TV? It's the boy Chef Mir, and before we get into the video, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button for me. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Today, we got Cardi B, we got Peso Pluma. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong. Forgive me if I said your name wrong. We got a song together with Cardi B, BARDIGANG, called Put 'Em in the Fridge. And before we get into the video, I got to address something. People keep asking me, why are you always reacting to Cardi B every time she drops? Here we go. Number one, BARDIGANG showed me so much love, so I had to return the love back with these Cardi B videos. They love my reaction, so I'm giving them the love back. Number two, I love me some Cardi B. This is my favorite right here. I love her attitude. I love her charisma. I love everything about Cardi B. She don't take shit from nobody, and she gonna talk her shit. And today, we got Cardi B, and she might talk her shit. She might not. She gonna talk her shit. So, let's put them in the fridge. Let's get right into it. SHHGANG TV, Chef Man. Let's go, man. We here. We here. Okay.
¿Te acuerdas cuando estábamos solos de niños? Que fuimos de barrio pero ahora somos finos. Cuando fumábamos.
Alright, the song is in Spanish. Let me see if my closed captions working. Let's see if the closed captions working. I'll run that back. Let me see if my closed captions working. Let's see if it's working. I can't speak Spanish. I can't speak Spanish. But Cardi, if you want some Hennessy over here to help me, to teach me Spanish, I'd be glad to do that. Thank you.
¿Te acuerdas cuando estábamos solos de niños? Que fuimos de barrio pero ahora somos finos. Cuando fumábamos tan blanco con el vecino. ¿Qué es el destino si no hay nada decidido? Sí, no, pregúntale al gobierno cuando vi. No, me vieron vestidito de marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. Sí, no, viví, no, los ojos rojos siempre fumo pi. No, de este beat soy el puto asesino.
Cardi about to slide on this. Cardi about to slide. I know Cardi about to slide on this one. I know she about to slide on this one. Oh, I know she about to slide on this one. I know she about to slide. Let's go.
No, ya saben que estoy loco desde niño. Bélicos somos bélicos
Getty, burro, pola, jaula, corelio, aladina, pola.
Hold on, Cardi. Why? Hold up. I was not prepared for that. Why you slid on that? Why you enter the beat like that, Cardi? Why you enter the beat like that, Cardi? Hold up. Let's go. We here.
Este beat soy el puto asesino. Ya saben que estoy loco desde niño. Bélicos somos bélicos
Getty, burro, pola, jaula, corelio, aladina, pola, alfombra, walking. Si la lámpara con el cuerno de cóctelo. It's the last time I can hear you talking about me. Peso Pluma con la peso heavy. En Jalisco de mi culo dicen diablo Cardi. Tengo a todos los nacos con la white. Y a su mami pidiendo que le firme.
She talented. She is talented. I know she bilingual, however you said it. This is talent right here. She rapping in Spanish. We know she Dominican. Now she in here rapping in Spanish. This is talent right here. This is talented. I wish I knew what she was saying, but I'm here for it. I'm here for this talent by Cardi B. I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. I don't care if I don't know what she's saying. I'm here for this, man. Come on, man. We here. Let's go.
Aladina por la alfombra walking. Si la lámpara con el cuerno de cóctelo. It's the last time I can hear you talking about me. Peso Pluma con la peso heavy. En Jalisco de mi culo dicen diablo Cardi. Tengo a todos los nacos con la white. Y a su mami pidiendo que le firma los panties. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty.
Hey.
Del aeropuerto cruzando pa' la serie. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Solo me siento en la mesa con los duros, con los miren.
Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A como lloran no se llenan, déjenme dormir. La suela roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. Hey, peace, millions and they fucking coming in.
Sí, no, encima de los pilos asesinos. No, tengo al presidente de vestir. No, el mundo es mío como Apache. No,
sí, no, pregúntale al gobierno cuando vi. No, me vieron vestidito de marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. Sí, no. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in. 100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the
Come on, we over there, man. This show fire. I like this show. I don't even know what they say, but I like it. I like it. Let's go. Run it back a little bit. Hold up.
Yo soy así, a como lloran no se llenan, déjenme dormir. La zona roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. APs, millions and they fucking coming in.
Sí, no, encima de los kilos asesino. No, tengo al presidente de vestir. No, el mundo es mío como como Apache. No,
Sí, no, pregúntale al gobierno cuando vi. No, me vieron vestidito de Marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. Sí, no. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in. 100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the word and they put you in the fucking fridge. Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A como lloran no se llenan, déjenme dormir. La suela roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. APs, millions and they fucking coming in. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in.
They coming in.
100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the word and they put you in the fucking fridge.
Put him in the fridge on this one. I had my Cardi dance. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, we still vibing right now. See, no, eat, oh. That's a vibe right there. That's a vibe right. Oh, that was Cardi B. That was Peso Pluma. I hope I said your name right. That was a vibe. I don't know Spanish, but I was vibing to y'all. I was in here, get it, get it. Cardi B, you're talented, girl. You're talented. Stop listening to these haters. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. Live your life. Be yourself. You ain't got to prove shit to nobody. SHHGANG TV, Chef Mayor.